Hi kids, this is Teacher Erica and welcome to Math Class. Our topic for today is about division. Everybody please say division. Let's recap the process in dividing numbers. This video is to practice more in division with different divisors. So this time, the divisors are and with 0. So use our family to help you remember the steps in long division. So we have dad, mom, sister, brother, and of course, our dog named Rover. So again, we have dad, mom, sister, brother, Rover. Each person or a dog represents a step in the long division process. Okay, so first, of course, is our dad. Starts with letter D, which means the first step is to divide. Next, mom, M. Second step is to multiply. Sister, S. Subtract. Brother, B. Bring down. R, which means to, or over, R, which means to repeat or write the remainder when necessary, okay? So these are the process for the long division. Now let's get started. So we have here 94,240 divided by 20. So you have to pick some digits from the given number to divide to start in division, okay? So if you're going to pick only one digit, let's say 9 divided by 20, it cannot be because the 9 is smaller than 20. So you cannot, there is no 20 in 9. Okay, so now let's pick two digits, which is 94. Again, it's 94. So now we can proceed to division. 94, so let's divide. Letter D, the first step is to divide. 94 divided by 20. How many 20s are there in 94? I'll give you time to answer. Okay, there are 4. Okay, so the answer is 4. You have to align your answer to the last digit. Okay. Next, M, mom, means multiply. So 4 times 20. What's the answer? Okay, the answer is 80. Now, S, sister, subtract. 94 minus 80. Okay, 4 minus 0, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. So now we have number 14. And since in this number, we cannot proceed to division, so let's bring down. So brother, bring down 2. So now we have 142. And then next is to repeat. R, Rover, R, repeat. Repeat the process. Go back to division. So 142 divided by 20. So what's the answer? Can you count how many 20s are there in 142? There are 7. Very good. Now, after division, multiply. 7 times 20. Again, 7 times 20. The answer is 140. After multiplication, subtract. So 142 minus 140. Okay, 2 minus 0, 2. And then 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So you don't need to write the zeros, alright? Okay, now let's bring down 4. And now we have 24. After you bring down, repeat. Repeat the process. So 24 divided by 20. So there is only 120 in 24. Okay? So after you divide, multiply. So 1 times 20. The answer is 20. And after you multiply, you subtract. So 24 minus 20. 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 2, of course, it's 0. So again, you don't need to write the 0. Okay, just leave it blank. And then bring down 0. Okay, now we have 40. 40 divided by 20. So again, just repeat the process. So go back to step 1, division. 40 divided by 20. The answer is 2. Okay. So after you divide, multiply. 2 times 20. The answer is 40. And then subtract. 40 minus 40, 0. Okay, so now we are finished. So our answer is 4,712. Okay, another example. 94,245 divided by 30. So let's use again the family as represents for the long division, okay, so that you will remember the process. So Zida divide 94 divided by 30. The answer is 3. And don't forget to line up your answer to the last digit of the number that we used in dividing numbers, okay? So after you divide, multiply. 3 times 30. Can you solve it mentally? Okay, the answer is 90. Very good. And then after you multiply, subtract. 94 minus 90. So 4 minus 0, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. So again, you don't need to write the number 0. And then, next step, brother, bring down. Okay, bring down 2. And then, repeat the process. Rover, repeat the process. Okay, so 42 divided by 30. And there's only 130 in 42, right? Okay, so the answer is 1. So again, don't forget to line up your answer to the last number. Okay, next, after you divide, multiply. So 1 times 30 is 30. And then subtract. So 42 minus 30. 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. So now we have 12. And then next step, after subtract, bring down. So bring down the number 4. Now we have 124. Repeat the process. Let's go back to division or divide. 124 divided by 30. How many 30s are there in 124? I'll give you time to answer. Okay, the answer is 4. There are 4 30s in 124. So after divide, we will multiply. So 4 times 30 is, okay, 120. Next is to subtract. So 4 minus 0, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So again, you don't need to write the number 0. Just leave it blank, okay? Next is to bring down 5. Now we have 45. Next step is to repeat. So let's go back to division. Divide. 45 divided by 30. So there is only 130 in 45. The answer is 1. Next, multiply. 1 times 30. 30 minus or subtract. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay, so there is no any number that we can bring it down. So let's stop from here, okay? We don't need to repeat the process. Okay, so our answer is 3,141, remainder 15. Again, what's number left? 15. R stands for remainder. So this is how you're going to divide the numbers. Okay, just please remember the process: God, mom, sister, brother, rover. So it represents divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, and repeat. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, kids. Goodbye.